I've got some more details for you about this Sunburst Granny Square blanket. If you would like your blanket to be just like mine, I need to explain to you the colour placements I used when I made the squares. The Sunburst Granny Square is made up of 1 round of double crochets, 1 round of puff stitches, 1 round of cluster stitches, and then we have the squaring off round. In this one we use trebles, double crochets and half double crochets if you prefer. Otherwise you can use double crochets there. So it is a 4 round pattern. I've made mine 5 rounds because I just wanted it to be that little bit bigger. So I've done an extra round, a 5th round, just in the cream, using all granny clusters. Now what I've done with the colours here is line them up in a way that makes me feel like they're just right, and then I began with the green in the centre. So each time I made a square, I would put the green on the next row out. Let me open out the blanket and I'll show you what I mean. Here's square 1 with the green round in the centre. Square 2, we've moved all the colours out 1 and the green starts in the 2nd round. So the other colours are just pushed out as well. Here we've got square number 3 and 4. So the green round is number 3. And on the 4th square, the green round is number 4. So what I then did when I was placing them down is a 6 by 8 layout. I made 48 of these squares. So I made 12 of each colourway. So 12 squares with the green in the centre, 12 squares with the green on round 2. 12 squares with the green on round 3 and 12 squares with the green on round 4. And that's how I laid them out to create the blanket, by going 1, 2, 3 and 4. As I had 6 rows across, I just started back with 1 and 2. Then the rounds below are 3 and 4. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you don't have to use this technique whatsoever, but I just thought I'd pop it up in case you liked what you saw and you wanted to make a blanket just the same as this one. The beauty of that is you do know how your project is going to turn out, and sometimes that's a really good thing. Sometimes you just want to make and create just for the fun of it, for the calm and the relaxation. You don't want to have to be thinking about things. So if that's you, just follow along with tutorial number 74 and this one, tutorial number 75. Okay? I hope you really enjoy making this blanket as much as I did. It just flew off my hook. It literally did. Hence it was done in the background. If it wasn't flying off my hook, I would have shown the progress as I went. So I hope you enjoy making your sunburst blanket too. Bye for now.